how to leave an FL Fantasy League. Hey guys, in this video, I will guide you through how to leave an FL Fantasy League. Alright, so let's begin. So when leaving a league, users may delete or leave custom leagues once the leagues have been reactivated. So NFL managed leagues do not carry over year to year. So to leave a league before the draft, use delete team and league notes in the desktop site's league tab. So league notes are just below the big picture in the main league page in the browser on a desktop. So to delete an entire league as a commissioner, use delete league and desktop sites manage tab. So visit m.fantasynfl.com. To access the desktop site on mobile, click on your league, press the three lines to the top left and then hit full site on the bottom right. Note you cannot leave a league via the app. So you cannot leave a league. So if you're using the app version, users cannot quit after the draft. Even those who did leave drafts on accident, as doing so would negatively and unfairly impact the league's other participants. So users may turn off alerts, join other leagues, manage their team display order, or in custom leagues, request the commissioner replace them with another manager. So that's basically how you can leave NFL Fantasy League. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.